Looking to enhance the security of your WhatsApp experience on your PC with the latest updates? Let's walk through the steps in detail. Firstly, make sure to launch WhatsApp on your device to access your account and settings. Next, navigate to the top left corner of the screen, positioned above your profile photo, and click on Settings to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, you will find the Account option. Click on it to manage and customize your account preferences. After accessing the account settings, locate and tap on Security Notifications to access the specific settings related to security alerts. To enable security notifications on your PC, ensure to check the box labeled Show Security Notifications on this computer. By diligently following these step-by-step instructions, you can effectively activate security alerts on your PC while using WhatsApp. Stay informed and prioritize the security of your account with these comprehensive guidelines.